Petey. Hi, baby. What's going on? Want to eat? Come here. Come here. Come here, Petey. Good boy. Yeah, you don't need that. Hi. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, you gotta get rid of the seeds. Come on. Do you want to eat? Let me get you a worm. Okay. Come on. Come on. Ouch.